it's recording. Okay. Hi. I'm going to talk to you about what I have here. The original Blizzard, only at DQ. Yes, I'm talking about a Blizzard. It is pretty good, actually. It's a strawberry cheesecake Blizzard. Yes, it's delicious. Yes, it is. Cheesecakey. Yes, it is very cheesecakey. Okay. You guys also, you guys have to see. Okay, you have to see, can't even find it now, like this stupid computer. Yeah, I hope you're enjoying watching the email Blizzard. Okay. Okay, you guys have to see Shirolade or Shirolanda. Yes, I'm gonna show you right now. Here we go. Look at this.
Dog cop.
Hey, it's so stupid, isn't it? Look at this video right here. The Ghetto Queen. Yeah, I'm about to show you. This is another video from Shirolanda. She's so funny here. Oh, and here's another video by her. She is so funny. Now watch this video.
Hello, Rhonda. Yeah, what's up? Yeah. You know that.
Okay. This has been me, my brownie Blizzard, and Shirolade, or Shirolanda, whatever you want to call it. Me, my brownie Blizzard.